Due to overwhelming growth at Mercedes-Benz of Knoxville Collision Center, the all-new Knoxville Motor Company BodyWerks is opening soon. To support our growth, we're looking for skilled collision technicians to join our team of experts. BodyWerks is conveniently located at 10580 Parkside Drive, not far from Lovell Road. This is a rare opportunity to work in an all-new, state-of-the-art facility with the best tools of the trade available. Let's take a closer look at what you can expect when you join our team. A collision technician will blueprint vehicles and assess which parts need to be replaced or repaired. Our expert parts team will acquire and mirror match those parts for accuracy, then deliver them to the body technician, who is responsible for reassembly and quality control. If you have experience as an automotive or commercial van body technician, knowledge of vehicle systems, and a desire to perform body repair with the most advanced tools and material available, we encourage you to apply. We repair all makes and models and have earned elite certifications in Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, Land Rover, commercial van, and aluminum repair. We are fortunate to have a consistent workload for our technicians, and our goal is to add qualified associates as needed to meet customer demand. Knoxville Motor Company prides itself on having a workplace culture that feels like family. We have been locally owned and operated for over 107 years and are the parent company to Furrow Automotive Group, which boasts Mercedes-Benz of Knoxville and Land Rover Knoxville as part of its dealership portfolio. We value our internal team members at the highest level, which in turn takes care of our external customers. To show our appreciation for employees, we offer a variety of benefits, such as complimentary life insurance for full-time employees. Other benefits include health insurance through Blue Cross Blue Shield of Tennessee, 401k match, short and long-term disability insurance, cancer care, and much more to choose from with employee participation. As you've seen today, no expense was spared in developing BodyWerks, and that includes our effort to assemble the most elite team of collision technicians our area has to offer. This is your chance to be one of the first to experience our all-new facility with the best working environment in the industry. We hope you'll apply today.